London travel tips for first-timers. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets, hearing the chimes of Big Ben, and taking in the vibrant energy of one of the world's greatest cities, London. But wait, did you know that without the right tips, you could end up spending hours in queues or blowing your budget on things you don't need? In this video, I'll share insider tips that will transform your trip from stressful to spectacular. Whether you're looking to explore iconic landmarks, uncover hidden gems, or just avoid rookie mistakes, you're in the right place. Before you even step foot in London, you'll want to make sure you're fully prepared. A little planning goes a long way. Packing like a pro. London's weather is famously unpredictable. Think of the saying, 4 seasons in a day. Always pack layers, including light sweaters and waterproof outerwear. Even in summer, mornings and evenings can be chilly. A compact, windproof umbrella is a lifesaver. But remember, Londoners often opt for hooded jackets because of the city's gusty winds. Travel documents. For international travelers, check visa requirements. If you're from the US, Canada, or EU countries, you might not need one for short stays, but always confirm beforehand. Use a secure travel wallet or app to store copies of your passport, ID, and any tickets. Apps like TripIt or Google Travel are great for organizing your itinerary. Flights and accommodation. London has 6 major airports, with Heathrow, Gatwick, and Stansted being the most popular for international travelers. Always check transfer times to central London. Heathrow Express is the fastest but pricier, while the Tube is cheaper and still convenient. Book accommodations in advance, especially during peak seasons. For first-timers, areas like Covent Garden, South Bank, and Bloomsbury strike a perfect balance between accessibility and charm. Best time to visit. Spring, March to May, perfect for blooming parks like Kew Gardens and Hyde Park. Temperatures are mild, and the crowds haven't peaked yet. Summer, June to August, great for outdoor events, but be prepared for larger crowds and higher prices. Autumn, September to November, fewer tourists and gorgeous fall foliage, especially in parks. Winter, December to February, magical Christmas lights, cozy pubs, and ice skating rinks, but keep in mind shorter daylight hours. Currency and payments. London uses the British pound, GBP. Credit cards are widely accepted, even for small purchases. Contactless payments are the norm, so ensure your card or phone supports it. Pro tip: use an app like Revolut or Wise for favorable exchange rates and minimal fees when spending abroad. Adapters and electronics. The UK uses Type-G plugs, with a voltage of 230V. If your electronics don't support dual voltage, you'll need a converter as well as an adapter. A portable power bank is also a must-have for long sightseeing days. London is a big city, but with the right tools, you'll find getting around easier than you think. The Tube. The Tube, or London Underground, is the fastest way to travel long distances. Stations are well signed, but keep an eye out for weekend closures or engineering works. These are common. Oyster cards or contactless cards are essential. An Oyster card caps your daily fares, ensuring you never overspend. Don't forget tube etiquette. Stand on the right side of escalators, and let passengers exit before boarding. Iconic buses. Riding a double-decker bus is more than transportation, it's an experience. The top deck provides stunning views of landmarks. Route 11, for example, passes iconic spots like St. Paul's Cathedral, Trafalgar Square, and the Houses of Parliament. Pro tip: download the TfL, Transport for London, app for live updates and bus routes. Walking and cycling. London's neighborhoods are walkable. Explore areas like Soho, Covent Garden, and South Bank on foot to uncover hidden alleys, cafes, and boutique shops. Rent a Santander cycle for just a few pounds. Use dedicated bike lanes for a safe and scenic ride, especially along the Thames path. Taxis and ride-sharing. Black cabs are reliable and iconic but expensive. If you're on a budget, opt for Uber or Bolt, which are widely available in the city. River Thames transport. Don't overlook the Thames Clipper ferries. They're a scenic and efficient way to travel between landmarks like Greenwich, Westminster, and the Tower of London. London is a treasure trove of sights, but let's break it down into must-visit spots and lesser-known gems. Classic landmarks. Buckingham Palace. Witness the changing of the guard, but arrive early to get a good view. Tower Bridge. Walk across this iconic bridge and visit the exhibition inside for panoramic views. The Shard. For breathtaking views of the city, head to the Shard's observation deck, or enjoy a meal in one of its restaurants. Hidden gems. Neal's Yard. A colorful alley in Covent Garden filled with quirky shops and cafes. Sky Garden. A free alternative to the Shard with stunning skyline views. Book a slot online in advance. Leadenhall Market. A beautiful historic market often overlooked by tourists. Museums and galleries. Many of London's best museums are free, like the British Museum, Natural History Museum, and Tate Modern. Pro tip: visit during late-night openings for fewer crowds and a unique atmosphere. Day trips. Consider a short trip to Windsor Castle, Oxford, or Stonehenge. They're easy to. Foodies, get ready! London's dining scene is second to none. Street food. Borough Market is a must-visit. Try the artisanal cheeses, fresh pastries, and global dishes like paella or Ethiopian platters. Camden Market is another hotspot for international flavors and quirky vibes. Afternoon tea. Affordable options: Sketch Gallery in Fortnum and Mason. Luxe experiences: the Ritz and Claridge's. Traditional pub food: fish and chips, steak and ale pie, or a hearty Sunday roast are must-tries. Pair them with a pint of British ale for the full experience. Dietary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out. See you in the next one. Your support means everything.